But basically, whenever we have a window well and we're doing a WaterGuard system, you don't want the windows filling up with water and running over the window seal. So basically what we do, we've already done it here, is we'll core drill through the foundation, and then we'll put this outside. So this is gonna allow water to drain through the hole that we did. And then, but this is our well duct. So we'll cut it to size and we'll fasten it over the top. And basically it's just a duct that's just gonna direct the water straight down into the WaterGuard system. And doing this is gonna prevent water from filling up in the well and coming over the sill plate and getting into the basement.